morning, students. Today we are going to learn about algebra. The topic is identities. Already we have studied in the previous class about value that replaces it variables. Now we shall recall four identities, which are four. The first one is a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Second one, a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Third one, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The fourth one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So now we are going to see about some example sums. First one, find the value of 3a plus 4c the whole squared using a plus b the whole squared identity. See the solution. In this question, a plus b the whole squared format. So compare them. We have a is equal to 3a, b is equal to 4c. The formula for a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Next, substitute them. A value is 3a plus b value is 4c. So 3a plus 4c the whole squared is equal to a squared 3a the whole squared. 2ab, 2a value is 3a into 4c b value plus 4c the whole squared. Next step, 3a the whole squared is 3 squared into a squared plus multiply them 2 into 3 into 4 and then a into c plus 4ac the whole squared is 4 squared c squared. So the next step is 9 c squared 3 squared is 9. So 9 a squared plus 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24 ac plus 16 c squared. The finally answer is 3a plus 4c the whole squared is equal to 9a squared plus 24ac plus 16c squared. Value 194 whole squared by using a minus b the whole squared identity. See the solution. 194 whole squared can be expressed as 200 minus 6 the whole squared. 200 minus 6 is 194. So 194 the whole square. So 194 the whole square is equal to 200 minus 6 the whole square. In this form of a minus b the whole square, 200 minus 6 the form of a minus b the whole square. So we get a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 6. A minus b the whole squared formula is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Next, substitute them. A minus b is 200 minus 6 the whole squared is equal to a squared 200 the whole squared minus 2 into ab. A value 200 into 6 plus b squared 6 the whole squared. 200 the whole squared is 40,000 minus 2 into 200 into 6 is 2400 plus 6 the whole squared is 6 6 are 36. So next add and subtract. 200 minus 6 the whole squared is equal to 37,636. The answer. Next third example. See the solution. Y squared minus 16 can be written as y squared minus 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. So y squared minus 4 squared. Next y squared minus 4 comparing a squared minus b squared. So we get a is equal to y and b is equal to 4. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Substitute. A squared minus b squared is y squared minus 4 squared is equal to a plus b. A value y plus b value 4. Y plus 4 into y minus 4. So the finally answer is y squared minus 4 squared is 16. So y squared minus 16 is equal to y plus 4 into y minus. Next exercise 3.3. The first question is expand 3m plus 5 the whole squared. The question is expand 3m plus 5 the whole square. Solution. Comparing these two terms 3m plus 5 the whole squared with a plus b the whole squared. Compare them. We have a is equal to given question 3m and b is equal to 5. So a plus b the whole squared formula is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Next substitute them. Substitute a plus b. A is 3m plus b is 5. 3m plus 5 the whole squared is equal to a squared. A is 3m. 3m the whole squared plus 2 into a is 3m, b is 5. So 2 into 3m into 5 plus b is 5. 5 the whole square. Next step. 2 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6. 6m into 5 plus 5 squared is 25. Next step. So the answer is 3 squared is 9. 9m squared plus 6m into 5 is 30m plus 25. Finally the answer is 3m plus 5 the whole squared is equal to 9m squared plus 30m plus 25. Next question. 5p minus 1 the whole squared. Same method. Comparing these two terms 5p minus 1 the whole squared with a minus b the whole squared. Already we have a is equal to 5p and b is equal to 1. The a minus b the whole squared formula is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Substitute them. A minus b the whole square is 5p minus 1 the whole squared is equal to a squared is 5p. 5p whole squared minus 2ab. 2 into 5p into 1 plus b squared is 1. So 1 the whole square. Next step. 5p the whole squared. Expand them 5 squared into p squared minus 2 into 5p is 10p minus 10p plus squared is equal to 5 squared is 25. 25p squared minus 10p plus 1. And then next question. 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3. See the solution. Comparing them, 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3 with x plus a, x plus b. So, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to plus 3, and then x is equal to 2n. X plus a into x plus b formula is x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Next, substitute them. X plus a into x plus b is 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3 is equal to x squared. X squared is x is 2n. So 2n the whole square plus a value is minus 1. So minus 1 plus b value is 3. So plus 3 into x value 2n. 2n plus ab. A is minus 1, b is 3. So next step. 2n the whole square is 2 squared into n squared plus minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So 2 into 2n. Next, minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3. Multiply them. Minus 4. 4n squared plus 4n. 2 into 2 is 4n minus 3. Finally, the answer is 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3 is equal to 4n squared plus 4n minus 3.
Next, fourth question. 4p squared minus 25q squared. See the solution. In this question, 4p squared minus 25q squared. So, split them. 4p squared is 2p power squared. 2 squared is 4, p squared is p squared. So 2p the whole squared minus 25q squared is 5q the whole squared. 5 squared is 25. So 5q the whole squared. Next, comparing 2p the whole squared minus 25q the whole squared with a squared minus b squared form. So we have a is equal to 2p and b is equal to 5q. A squared minus b squared formula is a plus b into a minus b. Next, substitute them. So a value is 2p. 2p the whole square minus b value is 5q. 5q the whole square is equal to a plus b. A value 2p plus b value 5q. 2p plus 5q into 2p minus 5q. A minus b. So 2p minus 5q.
So the final answer is 2p the whole squared minus 5q the whole squared is equal to 2p plus 5q into 2p minus 5q. Next, review. Review the first question. What is an identity? Question. What is this identity? So the answer is an identity is an equation satisfied by any Next question, review question. 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3 using by a plus b into a minus b identity. See the question. So the answer is comparing 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3 with a plus b into a minus b. We get a is 2x, b value is 3. The formula for a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Substitute them. 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to a value is 2x. So 2x the whole squared minus 3 whole squared. 2x whole squared is 2 squared into x squared minus 3 squared is 9. So the answer is 4x squared minus 9.